I am freaking out right now. I have my helmet on here at Woodward. I can see the video guys going up behind me, and we're about ready to put skis on. There's rollers on them, and I'm gonna go downhill and hope that I land in the foam pit. Let's go. I'm laughing going up this ramp right now because we also just heard from my coach Max, who's gonna coach me down this, that there's been tons of Olympic athletes who come train here, and here I am just hoping I don't embarrass myself too much. That's just Max doing his thing.